Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can start a new conversation and send a group message to your group members within Google Groups. So let us get started. So head over to your account on Google Groups, navigate to My Groups on the left hand side and click into the group you would like to post something. So left click into it and here you'll be redirected to the conversations. So to start a new conversation, click into this button and then enter the subject here. Click into this field below to enter your group message. And once that's done, guys, click into post message at the bottom. You may also attach files like, for example, Word documents, images, and so on and so forth. You can also insert a photo attachment, email templates, customize your message by changing the background color, changing the font color, inserting links, changing the font style. And if you'd like to remove the draft for the conversation, for the message, click into this button to discard the message. And that's it. You will later see your conversations listed either under approved or pending, depending on whether you're an admin or the group owner, so that you can decide if the given conversation can be approved or not. That's it. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.